We're inside Sukhothai Historical Park. So, very nice preservation ng civilization here in central Thailand. So, this is in the city of Sukhothai. Let's go inside, para makita natin. Ayan. So, you have a lot of mga tourists na dito nakaikot. So these structures were dated mga 1400 AD, after death of Christ. Thousands of years na pala to. Tingnan mo, they did very good restoration and preservation. Mabuti na preserve na rin to. They're facing the sun, yung mga goddess dito kasi yung araw, so ang orientation ng mga structures nila is nasa area. Ayan, wow, yung structure na. Then you have here, sinong goddess to? Oh, you have a lot of taking here. Very good picture. Yeah. What's this one? Okay. No, grabe religion. This is something. There's another goddess there. Goddess or God? Shows yung ignorance natin sa Hindu at saka Buddhist religion. These are structures thousands of years na preserved dito in Sukhothai, central Thailand. Ang ganda ng area here. Once in a lifetime na opportunity to. Sinong goddess to dito? He's